Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevy Blazer LT in iron gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, brake assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, remote start system, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 47064A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.